This 2025 Winnebago Travato 59K is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, oven, water heater, spare tire kit, skylight, external shower, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, awning, microwave, auxiliary battery, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2025 Winnebago Travato 59K is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.